So treat yourself or a family member to a warm winter with this DOACE heated jacket. If you live in a cold climate, you know how hard the winters can be and how hard the body works to create heat. But with this jacket and its heat elements and adjustability, you could control that and make being outdoors in the cold pleasurable. So whether you're a motorcycle rider, you're out shoveling snow, or you're into winter sports in the outdoors, and especially for elders because it's harder for them to keep warm in the winter. Now this is a 12-volt heated jacket and with a hoodie, and it has 8 sections of body warming packs to evenly distribute the heat all around you. I especially like the area in the neck, which keeps the neck warm. These heating packs are 35% larger than normal. It generates consistent heat for many body parts, including the neck, back, abdomen, shoulder, and waist. And this is all controlled by a 4-in-1 smart control system. You have the heating areas, which are the shoulders and neck, waist and back, and abdomen switches can be operated separately. 3 heating levels from 113 degrees Fahrenheit to 150. You can turn on off the heating area anytime according to your own demands. Your body will be comfortable and you will not sweat because of overheating because you are in control. So this works with a 12-volt power bank, which is included, and with all cables, and can provide up to 8 hours of time of heating. You can also charge virtually any mobile device, including phones, tablets, and so on. And it's safe and Tsa friendly. So the benefits of keeping the body warm are huge, and cold winters will leave you miserable and feeling worn out. Now all the zippers, 7 of them, now all the pockets have zippers and Velcro, and there's 7 zippers. Inner pocket, it's special for putting the power bank, which has the cable that you attach to, and on the other side of the coat, there's another huge inside pocket that could fit your whole hand. All the pockets are super large, secured zippers that are nice and sturdy. You got zippers on the sleeves, on the shoulders, the chest high zippers, which you could put your hands in, full hands and wrists. It has fleece lining cuffs, which is very comfortable and feels high-end. Has adjustable straps on the hem to taper the waist. Water-resistant fabric. It has a Velcro morale patch area on the shoulder, and you can put your favorite morale patch on. This jacket has everything. It has the looks, it has the performance, all you need to go out and brave the winter and feel comfortable.